Thank you for checking out my channel again. Filling a very shallow hole in granite here. As you can see, that this countertop needs a lot of fill, but this one little hole is all you're going to see. I'm using a light brown or transparent brown Filachip, which is a UV cured adhesive, and the process takes about a minute to cure. I just squirt a little bit of Filachip into the hole, cover it with the acetate, and then apply the UV light. And this UV light is just a standard UV light you can buy anywhere, but one of these lights comes in the Filachip kit. So if you'd rather do this yourself, you can do it. You can buy the kit at easystonecare.com. If you had several holes to fill, while this was curing, you'd be injecting a small amount into another hole and covering it with acetate, and then every minute or so you just be moving the UV light around. You can also buy a couple of extra UV lights if you want to make it faster, but most standard repairs are just a few little holes. Okay, after a minute, what you're going to do is you're just going to pull the UV light off and lift the acetate slowly straight up, and what it's going to do is it's just going to pop right off the adhesive without showing anything at all. You're not going to see anything on the acetate. You can run your hand across the fill, and it's going to be extremely smooth and shiny. At this point, I recommend having a couple of brand new razor blades available, maybe 1 to 2 per hole like this. This is kind of a big hole, so at least 2. And you want to move it back and forth so you're shaving it from the top down. You never want to apply pressure on the edges because you're going to pop it out of the hole. So shaving it from the top down, and you'll see it as you can see how much adhesive is being shaved off. And just basically it takes 15-20 seconds to get down, and then another 30 seconds to get it smooth. And by the time you're smooth, it's gone. You can't see where you filled. Once it's smooth and polished, you can then use the Filachip Shine polish, which is very mild wax. I usually just buff it in with my fingertip and then buff it off with a cloth. It's not always necessary. Many times the Filachip will polish just with the razor blade, but you just have to use your own experience. This is just one of several adhesives that we use during our repairs. As you can see, the right adhesive can make any chip in granite almost invisible. There's the before and there's the after. Can't even tell it where it was. For information on where to find Filachip, please look at easystonecare.com. The link is in the notes, and check out our other videos. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you.